What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Mitch, and together with my wife Ali, we travel to Florida multiple times a year to go to Disney World. Now, we got a lot of questions sent to us on our Instagram asking how we make our dining reservations when we are going to Disney World. So obviously 60 days out from Disney World, you can start making your dining reservations for any of the restaurants that you want to dine in. So I thought I'd jump on here. I'd make a quick video to show how you make your dining reservations. A lot of people are stressed out about needing VPNs, things like that, being in Australia. If you're not from Australia, this is still the same process to book your dining reservations as far as I'm concerned. You don't need any of that fancy stuff. This is all you need. So I'll swap over now to my computer screen so you can see what I'm doing. And we'll walk through step by step just how we make a dining reservation. So first things first, you want to come to your My Disney Experience website or the Disney World website. Same thing if you're in the app on the phone. Same process, just do it through the My Disney Experience app. Find where the create dining reservation button is, and the steps are exactly the same steps that you follow, only I'm doing it on a computer right now. So head to the Walt Disney World website, make sure you're logged in. Now, if you haven't ended up on this page, what you want to do is come up here and just click My Plans, or you can just click that and it should take you to this dashboard where you can then scroll down a little bit and you'll see all these little buttons here. So obviously if you got your resort booking there, your park tickets, if you've made park reservations, which is only applicable if you have like an annual pass or something like that, you can then come across here to make dining reservation. So you want to come down and you want to click on that make a reservation. It's then going to bring you through to this page here where you can select how many people you want in your dining party. So this can be modified later. You might just have different availabilities on time when you modify it if you need to increase the amount of people you have. So for us, for example, we'll select 2 people. Then it's going to prompt you through to this next page here, which is your date selection. So you want to come through and you want to pick your dates. You can do that in a date range or a single date. So like, for example, I might want to make a booking for the 28th, and then you can see there, it prompts me to be able to book multiple days at once. Or if you just want to see what's available for the 28th, you can just select your start and finish date on the 28th, and then hit next. Then you're going to come through with a time window. Now this is just to condense down the booking options to the time you want. So if you know that you want to go for breakfast, you can then drag that all the way back to, I don't know, say 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. and it's only going to show you the booking availability for that window. If you wanted to do it for dinner, same thing, drag it up that way. You might know you want to go sometime between 6 p.m. and midnight, or it might be from midday onwards. You might want to do, 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock for lunch or something. It just narrows down what it's going to show you so that you can work out what it is you want to look at. So then we hit next. It's then going to show you the location. So you can either click done and it's going to show you all locations, or you can filter that by different areas of the park or the resort. So you might know that you want to dine. I don't know. Let's pick Ohana for example. So we know Ohana's in the Magic Kingdom area. It's not in the park, it's at the nearby resorts because it's at the Polynesian resort. So you select nearby resorts, click done, and it's going to take you through to here where it's going to show you what is available at those resorts. So then you want to scroll down until you find the resort you're looking for, the dining reservation you're looking for. So here we go here, Ohana. And now you can see here with the time frame that I've selected, these are the bookings that are available at the moment. So there's a midday for breakfast, which is a character dining. And then we have dinner, which is a 3:35 seating or a 3:45 seating. So if we wanted to book that, we would say select the 3:45 seating. It's going to load up to the next page. We can see here a confirmation of our booking. So we have 2 guests at Ohana for dinner on the date, and we have the time. And then we can go through, there's some special things we can add if we want. So celebration cakes, pretty pricey if you ask me. Or dietary requirements, any accessibility requests that you have for that, you can put all that in here. Or if you don't want any of that, just hit continue. It's going to take you to this next page here where it will make you log on. So we log on there. All right, so then it's going to want you to put in your information. So you need to put in a phone number. So let's just go here. Change it to Australia because we are in Australia, and we'll just put in a dummy phone number because why not? And then we go next here, and then obviously I have my card linked to this. You need to put a card down for your reservation in case you become a no-show, because I think they do charge you if you book and you don't turn up, because obviously you've taken a seating for someone who could have come. So if you do need to change your reservation, do make sure you cancel that or change the timing if you know you're not going to make it. Disney are pretty accommodating with that as well. Like, we had a flight delay on our last trip where we weren't going to make our booking for the next morning for breakfast, and we were just able to cancel that even though we were 24 hours out. I think you can do it all the way up to 2 hours before you can cancel that booking. But yeah, that's essentially it. I'm not going to make this booking because I don't actually need this booking, but I wanted to walk through the process with you. What would happen now, we'd click that next button and you would just be greeted with a confirmation page of that booking. And that's essentially it. That's how we make a booking at Walt Disney World. So you've got all those options there. You got so many different restaurants and bookings you can make. There's, you know, all the theme park resorts. There's the Disney Springs area. There's endless amounts. I think there's 200 and something restaurants in all of Walt Disney World. But yeah, hopefully this video was a little bit of help for you guys. I know a lot of people, they freak out when it comes to the planning stage for a Walt Disney World holiday, especially if it's your first time. We were like that as well on our first time. But yeah, just don't stress. It's not as scary as what you think. We've never managed to not get the bookings that we want as long as we're booking at our 60-day period. Sometimes we even book some restaurants when we're there, just for whatever's available. If it is one of the big ticket items, like your Ohana character dinings, maybe Crystal Palace, any of those character dinings and all the real popular restaurants, you definitely want to be booking them at your 60-day period if you can. But a lot of the sort of lower tier restaurants that aren't as high up on the popularity list, you generally don't have too much of a struggle making those bookings. Like I said, we've never had an issue with getting the bookings we want. But yeah, hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully you're enjoying our current vlog series that's out at the moment. It's almost coming to an end. The haul is going to be dropping in a few weeks, I think, if not the following week. So hopefully you like seeing all the stuff we purchased on our trip. It is the biggest spending that we have ever done on a trip. Our spendings were in the thousands for merch. So hopefully you do enjoy that. As of today, at the time I'm recording this, we head back to Walt Disney World in 51 days. We're staying at Saratoga Springs Resort. We're staying at the Polynesian Resort. And we've got a lot of cool, fun things planned. So keep an eye out for that vlog series if it hasn't come out already at the time that you're watching this. And yeah, we'll see you in Florida.